Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a tutorial and going through April's Boxycharm box. If you want to learn how I got this look and see everything in my Boxycharm for the month of April, then just keep on watching.
Alright, so we're starting off this tutorial with a First Aid Beauty primer. I'm just going to blend this all over my entire face. And then I'm going to use my Milk Makeup Blur Stick to fill in any of my pores and really smooth out my skin. I'm using the Cover FX Power Play Foundation. I'm going to blend that all over my face as well. And then I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm just going to use that underneath my eyes and in all the highlight areas of my face, and then blend that out with a beauty blender. For powder, I'm using this Wonder Beauty translucent powder. It's just in a little puff, and I actually ended up really liking it, you guys. It looked super good, and it was super easy to use this over like a loose powder. I'm then gonna take the Patrick Star MAC Mineralized Skin Finish and use this as a bronzer all over my face. I'm then going to take the Jouer Bouquet palette of blushes, and I'm going to use the lightest blush to give some life to my face. And then I'm filling in my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pencil in dark brown.
Okay, so we are going to dig in, not literally, into the Pure Festival palette, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I'm going to show you guys some swatches of all of these shades. I will tell you guys, I'm not a big fan of the pressed glitter shadows from any company. To this day, I have not found one that actually works really well for the eyes. So that's something that I probably wouldn't use on the eyes, especially if you're going to a festival and it's like a really hot day. That's something that I would wear on maybe my face, my body, and I think it'll hold really well. As for all of the other shades, they're super pretty. Love the addition of Gypsy and Wild Child, the purple and the pink in this palette. For today's look, I don't think I will be using, I definitely won't be using the glitter shades, and I definitely won't be using the purple. We're just gonna like dig into this and see what look we get out of it. So yeah, I'm gonna start off with Epic, and I'm just gonna put Epic in the crease. Then we have the three Luxie brushes. We have a 512, a 209, and a 245 brush. Love the 245 brush. The 512 will probably use as highlighter, and then we have the 509, or 209, and I'm gonna use this. We're gonna dip this into Sunset, and this guy is gonna go just on my lid. So something I'm noticing as I'm applying all these shades, you guys, is they are so much brighter when you put them on your eyes. So this does not look like it would be this pink, but it is. And the orange that I use in the crease does not look like it would be that orange, but it is. So really pretty for like a sunset eye, but not really what I was going for today. But since we're already here, we're gonna make it work. So I'm going to take a smaller blending brush and go into this dark brown shade. And this one looks like it's going to come out super red. So like I said, you're going for a sunset eye, you'll like this palette. Last minute decision, I'm going to make this into a spotlight eye. I'm just kind of like packing and blending a little bit at a time. I'm gonna go back in with the yellow shade to blend everything out. And then adding a little more of that shimmery pink color Sunset to, oh, funny, ha! I'm sitting here telling you guys how this is turning into a sunset eye by accident, and there's a color in here called Sunset. And there's a sunset on the palette. Well, I'm just gonna take the bigger brush and try to wipe any fallout away. Surprisingly, the shades are powdery, but I don't know, they didn't really have like as much fallout as expected. So this is the next product. This is from Star Looks. It's their Cosmic Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil, and it is in, I thought it was black. It's in this really pretty silvery color. I'm gonna show it to you guys. I'm not gonna use it, unfortunately, just because I thought it was black. But I think this would look really pretty with the purple shade in here and the pink shade in the palette. So unfortunately, we're not using that guy today. We have the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. I love Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powders. They're so beautiful. This one's in the color Summer Haze. I did test this out a little bit, and it is a little, like it has kind of like a silvery undertone. So I'm hoping that maybe on my face it comes out a little more bronzy, but I'm gonna take the Luxie, the bigger Luxie brush. And before I do that, can't forget, I'm gonna spray the Pixie Glow Mist. And I'm just gonna apply this right here. Okay, I've been putting it on my hand and it looks a little more silvery on my hand, but it's more of a, I don't know. I want to say peach, but it's not. I would say pink. I'm going to use the smaller Luxie brush and just use this to highlight. And I'm actually going to place some right in the center and just tap it out.
To finish off the tutorial, I'm just applying the Butter London mascara on my lashes, and then I'm gonna pop on these Aqua Lagoon lashes, and then I'm gonna jump to the lips. I'm using a NYX matte suede lip pencil on my lips, and then this Anastasia Naked liquid lipstick, which ended up being a little too light for me, so I use a little bit of the Jessie James Decker from Alexa Persico Cosmetics to blend it out, and then the Fenty Beauty Fussy Lip Balm, and that completes the look.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I gotta run. I'm going into the city today. That's why I actually have real clothes on and my hair is actually done for once in my life. But that's all I have. Let me know in the comments below what you got in your Boxycharm for the month of April. Give me a thumbs up if you like videos like these. And that's all I got for today. Subscribe in the center of the screen as always and check out all my other videos on the side. Love you guys. Bye.